Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best gadgets and accessories for your tech. Today, we're reviewing what could be the best stylus sling for Apple Pencil 2, the Doormoon pencil holder. If you're someone who loves to take your iPad and Apple Pencil on the go, then you'll want to stick around because this product is all about convenience and protection. The Doormoon pencil holder is designed specifically for Apple Pencil 2nd Gen, making it an essential accessory for any iPad user. Whether you're using the iPad 6th Gen, iPad Air, or any of the Pro models including the 9.7, 10.5, or 12.9-inch versions, this holder has you covered. It's a simple yet durable solution that keeps your Apple Pencil secure and easily accessible. Made from high-quality PU leather, the holder provides excellent protection against scratches and daily wear and tear. It's water-resistant, ensuring your pencil stays protected even if you're caught in a light drizzle. Plus, the material gives it a premium feel that pairs well with your iPad. The elastic band allows for a tight, secure fit, so you don't have to worry about your pencil slipping out, no matter how active your day gets. What really stands out is the practicality of this holder. It's designed to be detachable, which means you can easily remove it from your case when you don't need it. The simple, sleek design makes it a perfect match for just about any iPad case, and it blends seamlessly into your overall setup. Installation is a breeze, with no complicated setup required. Just slip it on and you're good to go. While this Apple Pencil holder excels at offering protection and ease of use, it's also incredibly lightweight and portable. You won't even notice it in your bag or on your iPad until you need it. The elastic band keeps everything secure, and you can rest assured that your pencil will be in top shape when you're ready to use it. For those looking for a no-fuss way to protect and carry their Apple Pencil, the Doormoon pencil holder is a fantastic choice. It combines durability, convenience, and sleek design into one affordable package. So if you're looking for a smart way to keep your Apple Pencil safe and within arm's reach, this is definitely worth checking out. That wraps up today's review. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more gadget reviews. We'll see you in the next one.